In this section, we will find out how to set up sorting outputs for process monitoring. Starting from the main screen, go to System Setup. Then go to the I/O menu for inputs and outputs. You will see the screen Digital Outputs. The blue button on the top enables you to switch between digital inputs and outputs. You are in the Digital Outputs menu. Here you can see the two plugs for digital outputs used on the device. In the basic configuration for plug 1, output 1 is used for the device ready signal. Because this is a default setting, it cannot be changed. Outputs 2, 3, and 4 are freely configurable. By default, they are defined as real-time thresholds for changing over EO sorting and alarm output. Here you can now use IMM3 as the sorting output because that is how it is defined. If you want to change an output, for example, you can select the input field here and then choose from the available output functions. In this example, we will choose the EO sorting output for output 2. You can also define which output type is used. The type Mark Good Part should be used as standard. Mark Bad Part is not failsafe. In other words, if the signal fails to appear, for example because of a cable breakage, sorting errors may occur. Here we have defined outputs 2 and 3 as sorting outputs. Confirm this by clicking on Save and Activate. To now use a sorting output for a measurement channel, go to Production Setup and then Mold Setup. The Outputs field is active. Here you can define the outputs by selecting the channel. If you select the input field Output, the available outputs are displayed. These correspond to the outputs that you previously defined in the system setting. As an example, here we will change to IMM2. If you want to use the same output for channel 2, the procedure is the same. If you don't want to create each output individually, but use the same output each time, you can apply it to the other channels by using Copy and Paste. In this example, all 4 outputs are now set to IMM2. This means all parts are separated out together. As soon as a channel is identified as a bad channel, all parts are marked as bad parts. Confirm this setting by clicking on Save and Activate. This will take you back to the main screen.